Hi everyone, today I would like to present to you ARBI Docs, our AI platform designed to empower lawyers to work efficiently and confidently with their documents. Now I've just logged in and we can see here three different projects: John's, personal, which is mine, and unknown. And under each project we can see a couple of workspaces where I can upload documents and collaborate. Before diving into workspace, I would like to explain to you the concept of projects. Projects are helpful for you to scope and budget different users and cases. So for example, if you have like two cases and you want to separate the billing, you can do that through projects. Or for example, if you are collaborating in under John's project, then you know that it's John's who's going to be billed for your usage. Now this gets very clear once you click in the manage project. You can see how much you're spending and all the metrics here and all the quotas that you have in your plan. You can click here to upgrade and buy more packages and have higher quotas. And these quotas, they work per month, so you can upgrade or downgrade depending on your usage. Now let's create a new workspace. I already have two here, and I'm gonna create a new workspace under my personal project. I'm gonna add a couple of files. I'm just gonna call drag and drop, and there you go. They are getting processed by our pipeline, and our pipeline has a couple of fields that are already automated. So for example, this column's abstract, type, and date. The AI is already doing some work for us at the upload time. It's giving us, it's reading those documents and it's giving us relevant information, such as like the category, the type of the document. You can see here which types you have. And if there is maybe something that's not right, you can easily go manually and change it. Now, our platform supports different types of documents, such as PDF, Word, images, videos, audios, and you can listen to and see them by just clicking on this icon. So here, this is an audio. This is like an image. This is still being parsed. This is like a video, and you can play it here. And we also do the transcription of these videos and audios, so you can see what the users are talking with diarization. Now, our platform also supports emails with attachments, which I'm going to upload here, and you will see that it uploads like one document, one email, but inside of this email comes with a couple of attachments. And we'll see that there are several like images associated with this email, and we can see in this column related that this document has 4 children, has like 4 attachments, and you can see the parents as well for this document. Now, another great feature that we have is to AI review. Basically, you select the documents that you want, you click AI review, and you create a new tag, a new annotation language, and you ask to the AI, in one word, what is the main language of this file? So we have created this annotation, and then we can click here and generate. So now it will generate for the 15 documents what I've asked the AI to. We can see here the column of the language, and as soon as all the documents have finished processing, we'll see them right here. We can see, we can sort them, we can apply filters. There are quick filters as well here. So for example, documents that are in the chat, not in the chat, and what else do we have? Oh, there you go. So we have here the language. One is, so we see that there are like several Chinese documents, English, and one in Spanish. All right, now for the smart search. Now, to show you the smart search, I would like to go to a different workspace, one that I'm collaborating with John, which contains 813 files, a much larger workspace. And if you go to the smart search, is where I can find the documents or passages inside of those documents that are relevant for me. So for example, if I type legal and I search, I will find 15 hits across 12 documents. I can click to open the document, and I also can click to see exactly where that hit was found. Now, we have three modes of search: hybrid, semantic, and keyword, like an exact match. If we search, for example, for montanha, which is Portuguese for mountain, I won't find anything in this workspace. But if I search with semantic or hybrid, for example, which is a combination of keyword and semantic, then I will find some hits, 9 hits across 9 documents. So this allows you to really like surface all your documents quickly to find relevant things. Now let's go to the chats. So it's here in the chats that you can ask complex queries to our agentic AI system. It's where you can really get the most out of these large language models. And we have a drop-down menu here where you can select one of our models, fast or wise, or if you want, you can go with premium models from the best of Anthropic, OpenAI, or Google. Now, I'm gonna ask a question here. What is this case about? Just for us to see how does the agentic system works. And first you see that it's working on it. So it's basically planning what it should do next, what kind of model to pick, what is the context it has in terms of like chat history, and also all the documents in your workspace. So let's wait a bit. Now you can see that it's thinking, so it understands the user content, like intention, and it's now planning what next steps we will take. And this is very good because it gives like the transparency that you want as a lawyer to feel confident, like what the system, what the AI is actually doing and going, what kind of decisions and what kind of like strategy, what kind of documents it's looking. All that is quite transparent for you here. So as you see, it's searching for documents. It searched 2 terms using the hybrid approach, the same one that we used in the smart search. Now it generate the answer. So we can see that it's a reasonable long answer with most all details about this case. It used the WISE model that we have because it probably had to process a lot of information. And as you can see, for each sentence or most of all the sentence here, we have model citation. So when you click in one of them, you can see exactly where inside of the documents that information came from. And that really helps you to make informed decisions. It helps you to, take the advantage of these AI systems and also be confident in the analysis and the interpretation and the decisions that you're making for your case. So that was a quick run. There are several other features that I didn't have time to show. There is notifications, the context where you can add more people to collaborate with. There's the feedback support where you can give your feedback to us, do your account to change password, save your recovery key, And yeah, that's all. I think thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, have a great day.